His favourite Reno show is back, with the block gearing up to go country for its 21st season. She's got Barnaby Joyce involved.
You might have to be a contestant next. The reality show this time heading to picturesque Daylesford in Victoria, where contestants will be tasked with a new challenge, building homes from the ground up. Welcome to chaos.
You're trying to get a million things done really quickly.
First rule of choppering, no showing off.
Why is that so high?
Nah, that's ridiculous.
I don't know whether to laugh or cry.
This year, the block is the happiest place on earth.
We're all going to have some good times on this show. We're also going to have some pretty bad times on this show.
If someone accused me of doing something I didn't do, I would fight to the death to prove that I was innocent.
We're trying to play an honest, good game, but now we're playing hard.
Spicy. The host with the most is back.
Yes.
Scotty Cam's in the house.
Here he is, Scotty!
Thank you, thank you. Very excited for Sunday night.
Good to see you, my friend. It is going to be a blockbuster.
Yeah, look, it's great. As we said, building from the ground up, so all the houses are identical. So you've got to bring your design A-game, your wow factor, your execution to wow the judges, and then you maybe win the week. So it's terrific.
I think everyone has a little part of their heart that wants to live in the country like this too.
Daylesford's
Yeah.
gorgeous.
What's it been like?
Yeah, well, Daylesford's an incredible town, very small, and you'd know it, Sarah.
Yeah, very well.
It's a foodie capital of regional Victoria, 5 hatted restaurants in town, which is quite amazing for a little town.
Yeah.
And they've got the springs and everything like that. Do you know, Cole, you can pump down by the creek, hand pump, sparkling mineral water out of the ground.
Oh, I didn't even know that. That's amazing.
Yes. It's full of magnesium, though.
You got to filter it out.
Yes.
Can you pump beer down there?
Yes, you can. It's unbelievable.
Miracle territory. This is
You
extraordinary.
know, some country people, they love knowing that their place is the best place in the world, but they don't necessarily want publicity around it. But the locals, how have they been and how have the blockheads been?
Well, look, the locals loved us, and they really said that to us in the street when people pull us up. You know, we love having you here. And a little bit of a stat that we worked out: we spent production in town about $8 million.
Wow, that's
3
great.
months that we're there.
That's great.
Food, cleaning, things like that. We don't have catering, accommodation. So we really put a big push into the town itself. We do a lot of tourism stuff. We showcase all the restaurants. We did up the cinema. We did up some bathhouses. So we do all that sort of thing.
Bathhouses, got it.
Yes, indeed.
They're very big down there, Carlos. You'll have to check them
Remember
out.
that time in
Get
Canberra?
off, Carlos, too.
Remember that time in Canberra when...
Ooh, what time in
remember that.
Canberra? Oh,
It was a business. It's a business trip.
oh, that's where all the fun happens.
I mean, this is so good for the local area and the property prices and all that. But have things surprised you on this one?
Yeah, look, I think that they're very big builds, the contestants. We've had a really shift in our show this year. We've got resilience, you know, we've got hard workers, and they've really got in there and had a real good go. And it's a real family feel-good series this year, so we're really looking forward to getting that there. And mum, dad and 3 kids can watch together.
And no all-nighters either. That'll be interesting to see.
Yeah, we've changed that a little bit of health and safety.
Yeah.
So there's a bit of a clock that ticks off and shuts down the sun.
How dull.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, there's late nights that way. There's plenty of drama.
There's
plenty
always
of tears,
drama.
plenty of roller coasters.
I'm looking forward to it.
Cannot
Don't miss
wait
the
for it.
season premiere of The Block this Sunday at 7 o'clock on 9 and 9. Now, everything is right with the world
When the
new
block's
block
back.
is back. Good on you, mate.
Thanks, Scotty.